Hey bakers, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a Jello cake with graham crackers. So, and here are my ingredients. We are going to need 2 of these graham crackers, 2 of them, a box of Jell-o, your whatever your preference is, you know, green, red, whatever color you want. Anyways guys, we're going to need a 16 ounces of Jell-o, an 8-ounce tube of Cool Whip, half of butter, 8-ounce cream cheese, a little box of strawberries, because we're going to cut them up. As you can see, I already cut those up, and 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. And I started already my graham crackers, so I'm going to continue. So what you do is you do this, and if you have a food processor, you can also put them in a food processor, or you do them by hand, however it's easier for you. But make sure that just, you know, all, you know, already chopped up and finely, you know, like this. We're going to add butter to it. So we're going to add butter to it so it can stick in our glass pan. I'm going to use a glass pan. You can use a regular pan also if you like. A little bit more, we're almost done. So what I do is I start like, and this is a very easy recipe, so you guys don't have to, you know, worry how, you know, this is like super quick. I suggest you do your Jell-o ahead of time so it can cool down. Alrighty, so there you have it. As you can see, oh, we have one more here. But as you can see, you know, try to smash as much as you can. You know, so you can have that. Alrighty, so now I'm going to pour it in here, and I'm going to melt my butter. So I'll see you in a second. So now we're going to add our butter to our graham crackers, and we are going to mix it. We're going to mix it and mix it until you start seeing like it's like all wet, and you can form like with your hand like this, a little ball, and then it's ready. Okay, so now we're going to pour it to our pan. We're going to pour it to our pan, and we're going to start forming like if it was a cake. And you can have to use your hands for this too. So you press down for this. And it's going to go in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. 350 for 10 minutes. So you guys, make sure you have this like ahead of time, and I'll save you time. Okay, so we'll be back. I'm going to put this in the oven, and when it's done, I'll show you the outcome. Alright, see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start doing the whipped cream. Well, I have the graham cracker in the oven. So we're going to use an 8-ounce cream cheese. We're going to put 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, and we are going to whip it. Making sure that it's all whipped. You get out the powdered sugar in there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna try to get as much of it out of there. So, okay, so now I'm going to add the whipping cream. The whole thing. And now you have to mix it till it mix it together, everything. Let me grab a bigger spoon, guys. So I can be able to stir it correctly. And just mix it all. You know, if you want, you can add coconut into this. That's if you like it. That's if you like coconut. If not, you can just leave it like this. And then once our graham cracker is ready, we'll let it cool down, and then we'll come back and spread this on there. All right, see you in a little bit. Okay, guys, so it came out of the oven. So now I'm going to add the frosting. And it's okay if a little bit of the graham crackers, you know, comes up. That's normal. If you get it on your frosting, like, you know, it's gonna get hard either way, so it's okay. So just get whatever you can put of frosting there, you know, as much as you can. Try to get everything out of here. All of it, you know. And this is going to go in the refrigerator for half an hour before we can even add the Jell-o on top. Okay, so we'll see you guys in about half an hour. Okay guys, so I took it out of the refrigerator. It's already been half an hour. So now I'm going to start putting my strawberries on top of the cake. What you want to do is just, you know, decorate it. I mean, you can put whatever fruit you want, but I like strawberries in it. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, because no one's perfect. You know, you do it however you want it. You know, and you can make this for Father's Day since it's coming up. You know, this will be a really good, you know, isn't it? It's not sweet. It's not a heavy cake. It's a perfect cake. You know, and try. You know, if you have leftovers, try to fill in the little hole that you see there, just so it can look, you know, more fuller. Okay, so now we are going to pour the Jell-o. Remember I told you earlier to make this earlier because you wanted it to cool down because you don't want to do it hot. So we're going to pour it to our cake. So then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours or overnight. So let me just show you guys. Let me put this in the refrigerator and then bring the other one out, okay? I'll be back. So you remember I told you earlier that I made one yesterday and I made it in a bigger pan, and of course I had to eat some to try it out and it came out amazing. So like I said, you can use any fruit. So since I didn't have enough strawberries yesterday, I went ahead and put these in there, you know. So you can do, like I said, you can do whatever you want. Just, you know, see how the graham cracker comes in the bottom and the cream and everything. So if you leave it overnight, it will come out even better. So let me cut a little piece so you can see how it looks. See, this is an easy recipe, and you know, if you do it ahead of time, you can use it for you know, for whatever you want to. Like I said, Father's Day, any event you guys have planned, you know, make this. You'll like it, and it's not even sweet. It's so delicious. So hey guys, so I hope you guys do give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So thank you for watching, and you know, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thumbs up. Thanks.